Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Shukrayaan mission. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The Indian government has recently approved the Indian Space Research Organization's ambitious Shukrayaan mission. The mission aims to explore Venus, Earth's closest planetary neighbor. The mission marks India's entry into interplanetary exploration of Venus following its successful missions to the Moon and Mars. Now let's discuss what is Shukrayaan. The Shukrayaan, ISRO's first Venus orbiter mission, is designed to study the planet's atmosphere, surface, and subsurface. The mission will focus on understanding Venus' extreme climatic conditions, including its dense carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere, runaway greenhouse effect, and volcanic activity. Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size, holds clues about planetary evolution and climate change. The spacecraft is expected to carry advanced scientific instruments, including a synthetic aperture radar to map Venus' surface and a spectrometer to analyze its atmospheric composition. The mission is tentatively scheduled for launch in 2028 using ISRO's GSLV Mk3 rocket. The timeline aligns with a favorable planetary alignment, which will minimize energy requirements for the journey. ISRO has partnered with global space agencies including NASA and the European Space Agency for technology exchange and data analysis. Now let's discuss what are the primary goals of Shukrayaan. Atmospheric studies. Examining Venus' thick clouds of sulfuric acid and its weather systems. Surface exploration, mapping surface features and understanding geological processes. Subsurface analysis, investigating potential volcanic activity and tectonics using radar systems. And solar interaction, studying how solar wind interacts with Venus' atmosphere. Now moving on to significance of the mission. Shukrayaan will place India among a select group of nations exploring Venus. The mission has the potential to contribute significantly to global understanding of planetary atmospheres and climate science. It also underscores ISRO's growing capabilities in deep space exploration. As preparations progress, Shukrayaan is poised to be a milestone in India's space journey, expanding its scientific frontiers beyond Mars and the Moon. Now let's discuss about Venus. It is the second planet from the Sun and the sixth largest planet. It is the hottest planet in the solar system, even though Mercury is twice as close to the Sun and receives 4 times more solar energy. Venus' atmosphere traps heat from the Sun as an extreme version of the greenhouse effect that warms the Earth. It is not a gas planet but a rocky planet. The interior of Venus is made up of central iron core and a rocky mantle, similar in composition to the Earth. Venus is one of the only 2 planets in our solar system that doesn't have a moon, the other being Mercury. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about Venus. 1. It is the second planet from the Sun and the 4th largest planet. 2. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. 3. Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.